Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Eternally Stunning. I hope you all are doing good. So in today's videos, I'm going to show you guys how we can make some of the products at our home with very few products that usually we all have available in our home. And so without further ado, let's get into the video. So the very first thing we're going to make is a DIY lipstick cum lip balm. So what is it is basically you need to have a lip balm which is colorless, of course, and if you guys have it in a stick form, then you can also use that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out some amount of lip balm into a bowl. Just take out some amount of it. And you can use some of your eyeshadows. I'm going to remove it out a little bit here, and I'm going to mix the two, and my product is ready. So I have come up with a new shade of a lip balm cum lipstick, which is this. It's beautiful. I actually want to give it a try. So I hope you guys can see this shade. And of course I'm going to give this a nice try now. And so you can make different shades of it just for the mere use of some eyeshadows that you have. And if you want to add the glittery effect, then you can also use highlighter. So that highlighter is going to give you some shimmery effect to your lip balm. So you can also use a lighter shade of an eyeshadow, maybe like white color or golden color, and you can use it same. And in this way you can actually make different shades, different smaller batches of different shades. And so whenever you are in a hurry, you can just apply it and just go out. Okay, so the second product that we are going to make is a tinted moisturizer. So this tinted moisturizer is very simple. All you'll need is some amount of foundation, the one that suits to your skin. So you can take some amount of the foundation in a container. Just take some random container and you can add some foundation to it. Add some amount of moisturizer to it, the one that suits to you. Make sure that they are almost in 1:1 ratio, and just give it a mix. And your tinted moisturizer is ready. So this can also act as a BB cream. The only thing is that BB cream has some sunscreening effect to it. So to give this a sunscreening effect, you can also use some sunscreen. So I'm going to use it with SPF 30 and I'm going to add it to this combination. And now I have a BB cream or tinted moisturizer ready to use. So just make sure that you have mixed it well. And so next time when you are in a hurry and you want to look good, then you don't need to put on a number of things on your face. You can only use this mixture and you are ready to go. So I'm going to show you guys how it has turned out to be. It's just wonderful. So here your tinted moisturizer is ready with SPF effect. You want to use razor to remove your unwanted hair, but does it leave your skin dry? Then you can use conditioner and then you can use a razor. But if you don't have conditioner, then there is no problem. I'm here to solve your problem. So what you can do is you can use some shower gel add some moisturizer in 1:1 combination, and you can apply it all over to the area that you want to shave off, and then you can use this razor. Make sure that you are using razor in the direction of hair growth and not opposite to it to prevent the ingrown hair. And your product is ready. Okay, so the fourth product is face wash. So are you guys also like really worried by using face wash? Does it also leave your skin dry? Mine does. For most of the time when I use face wash, it leaves my skin dry. So what do? Is I use a face wash plus some amount of baby oil, and I mix the two and I wash off my face. In case you don't have a baby oil available, then you can use almond oil or olive oil, anything that suits to you. So just mix the two, and it will leave your skin in a much better state. Trust me. If you also have the same problem that it leaves your skin dry, then this is a wonderful remedy to go. Okay, the fifth one is the dried nail paint. If you are also worried like me with the dry nail paint, then all we need to do is add some amount of nail paint remover, and you can stir it well, but make sure that you are not stirring like this, but stirring like this, and your nail paint will be ready to go. Like you guys see, like with very few products you can actually make a multiple product, so you don't need to specifically go and buy a BB cream or a tinted moisturizer separately. You can just mix your own moisturizer with your foundation, and you can give it SPF effect with the addition of some small amount of sunscreen, and you are ready. So let me know if you guys like these tips. And if you like this video, then go ahead and comment down below, and do subscribe to my channel. And if you want some more of such kind of the tips, then do comment down below for this, because I know in this way that you are liking my video. You guys are like wonderful audience, and I'm really thankful to you. So thank you so much, and have a great weekend.